Once the AI boom started, I made AI a major part of my life and work.
Screen cursor blinks, the system makes.
Spending about 5 months making AI-only videos.
Python scripts, the flag server logs the file, design the hood, the UI clean and fast.
Eventually, those issues led to the loss of my entire lab, my computers, my Arduinos, my life's work. I had to start over from zero, but looking back, that gap turned out to be a blessing.
We don't just stream the code, we build a whole new episode. Yeah, check the beat. We build a newer league. VideotronicMaker. Got the code and the heat, hack it, make it, share it. Yeah, you know the sound. Yeah, you know VideotronicMaker. Build it from the ground up.
It gave me a new skill set, and now that I'm rebuilding, I can merge that AI work directly with the new Arduino ecosystem. Without hardware, I focused on learning, because VideotronicMaker is about showing you what I learned. So I started preparing immediately. When the Arduino Uno Q was announced, I fed the user manual into Gemini so I could learn the specs. We used that knowledge to brainstorm a specific project. A desktop robot assistant.
It's not enough to keep the code on screen to make it real. A physical machine got the...
That is an absolutely perfect project for the Arduino Uno Q. You have described the exact type of advanced, hybrid application that this board is designed to enable. This idea of a physical robot interacting with a cloud-based AI, like Gemini, is precisely where the dual-brain architecture excels.